All right, so it's time to get excited for this one. Yes, because we are going to talk about Tesla. The stock is on fire. And if you was in at the recent lows of $100, basically when everyone was bailing, you were up a good 115%. That is incredible. But today we're going to focus on a 15-minute chart. And I have to remind you of two things. First, that Tesla is still in a downtrend. You must remember that. This is very important. I really think that we're full steam ahead until we tag this area. Maybe we reach there by March 1st because that is the investor day, right? And then I think we'll probably have some sort of sell-off, but I don't know. When it reaches that point, it'll be time for a new video. Number two, I'm gonna need you to like and subscribe to the channel and check out the other videos on the channel because I am sure you love it. Lots of Tesla videos as well, but let's focus on this one. Let's go to the 15-minute chart. Let's see what we can see. The thing has just been on fire damn near every day for a month, but right here, man, right here was a very disappointing day. All right, this was Thursday last week. We have a big red emotional candles. And that candle right there, if you're day trading this or if you're swing trading this, it's the sign to kind of get out. All right, just kind of take a chill. We're going to go down for a little bit. And for the most part, it did. It was like 215 here and went all the way down to 197. Right? That's like, wow, that's a huge move. I like looking at these huge emotional candles because generally it's the sign of a continuing trend. You get that candle, that big red candle, most likely we are going to continue to go in that direction. Or if you get the big green candle, we can go up a direction. Or if you get it at the top of a move, it could be the opposite, or at the bottom of the move, it could be the opposite, right? It just depends on where it is. So we've been running up. Let me draw you a trend line so you can see that. And I can kind of draw it like this, or I can kind of draw it like this. And you can see we broke trend. We broke it on a big emotional candle. Let me just show you over here. If you look back, you see all these small little candles, and then look at these big green emotional candles. This is my word, by the way. I gotta trademark the green emotional candle. But you get that, you small candles, right? You get those emotional candles and you start the trend the other way. Emotional candles, you start the trend the other way. You don't get them. I am actually expecting one over here somewhere to continue the trend to the upside. Anyway, we broke trend and we closed on its low, right? So Tesla, it reached a kind of recent high, closed on its low, and it's like, oh man. But then the next day, Friday, it goes low. It goes even lower, all the way down to 197, and then has a nice little turnaround. If you got in on the low of Friday, you made 5.71%, right? So Tesla on Friday closed on its high. It's high of the day with great volume. And speaking of volume, let me just jump back to the weekly chart so you can see, look at the volume here. This is insane. This is why I expected to hit that. It's going to tag that trend line. And this trend line is somewhere around 250, right? 250. If we were to draw a kind of trend like that, we're going to get there. Goodness gracious. March 20th. Isn't that? Yeah, March 20th. We're going to be sitting right there. So let's see what we happen. If we can go all the way to March 1st, that's somewhere right here, right? So if we're sitting at this point of decision on Investor Day, we'll be kind of right here. If we just kind of follow the current trend, it'll be like 3 weeks later. Anyway, so that's the video, man. I just wanted to show you what's popping with Tesla on the 15-minute chart. Trades don't usually do 15-minute charts. I would do the 1 to 5 minute chart. Too volatile. The 15 really smooths it out. It smooths it out lovely. Remember I told you about this big emotional candle? Look at the moving average crossover, right? So you would have got out here. And if you don't like, I don't know, it's gonna pop again, you're definitely getting out right there, right? You wouldn't have been in a trade on this move. And then where would you have got back in? Right here. It's a great way to trade. It's the simplest way of technical analysis on where a stock is going to move. Just follow that and you're going to make money. All right. So anyway, this is Dre Trades. I'm out. Tell me what you think. You trading Tesla? Are you in it for the long haul? Or you just kind of, nickel and diming it? I'm up, I'm down, I'm short, I'm long. I'm up, I'm down, I'm short, I'm long. I'm long, I'm short. I'm making money, I'm losing money. But overall, you got to be making money. Especially if you're hitting the buy button, you're making money. Anyway, this is Dre Trade. Subscribe, comment, like, do all of that, and stay tuned. If you hit the bell, you know exactly when the next video is dropping. Dre Trades, I'm out.